Do you want to tell us more about the food in your mother's house?
Since my oldest brother was the breadwinner, and he used to fix shoes, so we used to barter with the village people. We used to barter. He would fix the shoes, and they would give us some potatoes, some other vegetables, some milk, and so in the morning, I guess we had some kind of a grain with milk, and my mother was cook up a krupnik. This is like a vegetable soup, and she would buy 10 grams of fat, and that's what she would put on the frying pan. I don't know how it should have it, but that would enhance the soup. And of course we did not eat meat like chopped meat or hamburgers, or there was no such thing as eating that stuff. We would eat chicken. And since we had before the war, we had at least 15, 20 chickens running around. So we were, for Saturday, my mother would send us with a chicken to the shochet, and the shochet would kill it. I mean, the Jewish way, and my younger brother and myself, we would bring a stick, would hang it on the legs, but tied together so that the blood would run down. We'd bring it home, and my mother would clean it up, plug all the feathers, and she would cook up a soup and stuff like this. It wasn't I mean, life was not. It's not like. I mean, life was not like in the United States. It was a lot poorer. We didn't know nothing about gems, or we knew about butter, and I don't remember if in them days, but they had already margarine. But I never remember eating bread and butter. I used to eat the bread as it is.